what you will learn inside the Legacy Builder program to start earning $600 a day. Did you know that if you earn $600 a day, just working 2 hours a day, that is $218,000 a year? Would that be life-changing for you? The first thing you're going to learn about is digital products. And this is a product that is going to be a huge impact on somebody's life. Did you guys realize that the e-learning digital product industry is the fastest growing industry, and it does over $1 billion a day? The second thing that we're going to teach you is discovery. You can also think of this as marketing. I don't like to use that word because people always think of it as money, but we are going to teach you how to get your business discovered, even using picture posts or even faceless. Guys, you don't even have to show your face. Third thing that we're going to teach you about is your content and how to be relatable. We want the stop the scroll. It's how to grab the attention of your perfect customer. The fourth thing that you're going to learn is all about automations. We call this our freedom machine because it is working in the background of our life 24/7. This is what I love the most about this business. And the last thing, number 5, is a new customer. You get a new customer. If they become a new customer, it's because they went through all of your automated system that does all of the follow-up, the follow-through for you. And guys, that is why this is a rejection-free business. If you would like to learn more, just put a 1 in the comments. I would love to get that information to you.